Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about something very special. It's something that has been doing very, very well in the recent market, and that is Pokemon cards. We continue to see so many people involved in looking to get into Pokemon cards and other great collectibles. However, we do see a great combination of things here with Pokemon cards and, of course, the new era of collectible investments through NFTs, as well as a lot of these guys actually getting some great partnerships. So here we have a great partnership with Holos to enter the NFT trading card market. And this basically tells you, a little bit about Holos. So you have the real cards, real value, pull until you win, and you can sell or ship in seconds. So if you like the card you specifically pulled, you can just ship it to your doorstep, or you can just sell it right away on the site. And we'll show you exactly what that looks like here in just a minute. We'll open a pack or two, and then we'll see what we can do with those. Let's go to the next spot here, though, on Bitcoin.com news. It just talks about the randomized TCG packs and how you can redeem worldwide and get them shipped to your door. So Holo actually leverages NFT RWA, or real-world asset technology, to convert physical items into blockchain-verified tokens. Users can buy, sell, and hold these tokens worldwide without shipping or inspection until they choose to redeem the physical item. Holos is currently running a high-value Pokemon card giveaway, and all you have to do is follow and repost for a chance to win. So make sure to check that out, and we'll go straight there right now, and I'll have the link down in the description below so you guys can follow them on Twitter or X now, and then you can also retweet this post. Again, it's a huge giveaway, gives you a chance at something really cool here. So to celebrate the launch of Holos, we're giving away an Epic Umbreon EX special art rare. So again, you can join this very, very easily by just jumping here and liking and retweeting, following Holos Market, and then tagging 2 friends or commenting with your favorite Pokemon. So what is Holos and why is it so special? Again, the real cards, real value, pull until you win, sell or ship in seconds, kind of vision that they have is so awesome in my opinion, because you don't always want the cards you pull in the card or in the packs. You get a bunch of energy cards, you get a bunch of basic cards, and they continue to stack up, take space in your house. You don't know if you should, sell them or, trash them. And in this case, you don't have to do that because you're only getting cards that have value right away. Again, these are the high rate cards that everybody is looking for. So let's go to the site and take a look at what we're looking at here. So here we have Holos Market, or holos-market.com, and you can actually grab a pack. So you can see the odds here as well, and I love that they give you the exact odds. Obviously, none of this, guys, is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and, if you want to buy something, just buy it. This is just going to give you some RNG kind of fun, or if you don't know exactly what kind of card you want, this is going to give you that option to kind of go in and just see what you get. So again, it gives you the exact odds. So if you bought a $25 pack, you do have a chance of getting a $200 to $400 card. It's just going to be very low. Of course, the higher up in price you go, the higher the value or potential card you can get. Again, let's just open a couple packs and see what this all looks like. So we're going to start with the the $50 pack, actually. We'll go with the big one first. So the $50 pack here is what we are opening, and it has a cool little animation, and you can actually turn the volume up as well to get really into the cinematic here. But we have our first $50 card opening, and we get so it's a $25 card, so we lost half of our value in that specific one, which, is a common occurrence as well, because you can see the odds, which, again, so great to see the clarity there, is $25 to $40 is 49%. So it's an obvious chance at that. But let's go again with the $25 pack opening. And again, this is really cool because in this scenario, I'm actually going to keep these cards potentially. So I'll just close, once I get the card, I'll hit close, and we can decide later if we want to sell these cards or keep them. So we're completing another purchase here, again, for a $25 pack. And let's see what we can get here. Again, if we can just get $25 or more in value, it's definitely going to be worth the fun. So if we can get on this $25 purchase, 25 or more, that's the goal. And we get $25 card. Pretty cool card as well. We'll take a look at these cards a little bit more into detail and see if we want to sell them or ship them to the door. So as you can see here, we actually did pretty good on the odds there because we had a 44.39% chance of a $15 to $25 card. Not only did we hit that 44, we hit the $25 range. So we actually hit the high end of that range as well. So very cool. Let's go to the collection now. We can actually see our collection, which is really cool. So this one right here is a Flareon EX Pokemon Prismatic and it looks pretty sweet to me. But the Pikachu EX as well looks pretty awesome. So if we hit redeem here, the physical items will be delivered to your address, which is a really, really cool idea. So we actually go to profile and I type in all of this information right here, and it'll give us a confirmed shipping option. So it'll cost about 19 bucks to get these shipped over, which isn't too bad. Obviously, when you open a ton of packs, you ship more at a time. I'm sure it'll cost a little less. So again, very, very cool idea here. So if you want to open packs like I just did, definitely go to the link in the description below and actually follow them here on X and see if they have something you want to actually open. There's a lot of different little packs here you can choose from, $25, $50 to $100 to $300 options. So they keep it pretty nice and simple. The options are fairly easy. And then they have an about page as well that brings you to the docs.holos-market.com, which is great to give you more ideas and understanding of what is going on and how they do what they do. So again, if you are interested, I'll have links down in the description below. It's a really cool idea, a really, in my opinion, cool way to actually involve Pokemon inside of the NFT and crypto world. And I think a lot of people are excited about this because, again, Pokemon is a hard thing to get your hands on nowadays, at least of the, the top tier products. So it's cool that you're going to get an opportunity at seeing some high product here, and I'm excited to see what you guys think about this one. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.